Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we take a closer look at the products you care about. Today, we're diving into the Ultenic Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, a 3-in-1 vacuum mop combo that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine. If you're tired of switching between mops, brooms, and vacuums, this might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. The Ultenic Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner combines 3 essential cleaning functions into one sleek, cordless device. It vacuums, mops, and washes floors simultaneously, which means no more juggling between different tools. With its self-cleaning feature, you don't even have to worry about cleaning the brush rollers manually. Just press a button and the machine takes care of it for you. How convenient is that? Suction power is a major factor in any vacuum's performance, and the Ultenic doesn't disappoint. It features a smart mess detection system that adjusts its suction power based on the mess you're tackling. So whether you're dealing with stubborn dry dirt or sticky wet spills like juice or coffee, it's designed to automatically optimize suction for a more efficient clean. And the best part? The vacuum mode dries floors quickly without leaving streaks, which is especially helpful if you have kids or pets running around. In terms of runtime, you're looking at up to 50 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. That's enough to cover most homes without needing to recharge halfway through. The LED display gives you a clear view of the remaining battery life, current cleaning mode, and any reminders such as when to charge, refill the water tank, or clean the dirty water tank. Voice prompts add an extra layer of convenience, keeping you updated as you clean. One of the standout features of the Ultenic Wet Dry Vacuum is its lightweight design. Weighing in at less than 9.5 pounds, it's easy to carry from room to room and even up and down stairs. The self-propelled brush roller makes cleaning even the tightest corners a breeze, allowing you to glide over hard floors without exerting too much effort. The dual tank design keeps the clean and dirty water separate, ensuring that you're always using fresh water while cleaning. This means you won't be spreading dirt around your floors as you mop. And when you're done, the self-cleaning system kicks in, ensuring your brush rollers and tubing are ready for the next use. It's a huge time saver, and the convenience factor is definitely worth mentioning here. When it comes to practical use, I put this vacuum to the test in a variety of scenarios. First, I tackled fine dust and crumbs on hardwood floors. The Ultenic suction was impressive. Everything was picked up quickly, and the floor dried within seconds, leaving no streaks behind. Next, I moved on to carpets and rugs, where it handled embedded dirt and pet hair with ease. I also used the attachments to clean stairs and upholstery. The design of the vacuum made it easy to navigate tight spaces, and the self-propelled feature made cleaning the stairs particularly smooth. I also tested how it handled long hair. Surprisingly, the brush roller didn't tangle much, and I was able to easily clean it afterward. While it's marketed as ideal for families with kids and pets, the vacuum performed well across a variety of surfaces, from hardwood floors to low-pile carpets, proving that it's versatile enough for different homes. Of course, no product is without its shortcomings. The battery life is solid for most tasks, but if you have a larger home, or if you're using it on high power mode for extended periods, you might need to recharge before finishing the whole house. The tank size is adequate, but if you have a particularly messy house, you might find yourself emptying it a bit more frequently than you'd like. Also, the cleaning solution used in the machine should be carefully considered. Only use Ultenic-approved products to avoid malfunctions. When we talk about value for money, the Ultenic Wet Dry Vacuum offers a fair deal for its range of features. It's not the cheapest vacuum on the market, but for the performance, convenience, and features you get, especially the ability to vacuum and mop at the same time, it's a reasonable investment. Compared to other vacuums in a similar price range, like the Taneco Floor One S3 or the Bissell Crosswave, the Ultenic offers strong suction power and smart features that make cleaning feel a lot less like a chore. However, it's important to note that there are alternatives with longer battery lives or slightly more powerful suction. So depending on your needs, you might find other options worth considering. Let's quickly Compare the Ultenic with a few other wet-dry vacuums. The Tyneco iFloor 3 offers comparable suction and mop performance, but with a slightly lower runtime of around 25 to 35 minutes. It's also a bit more compact and may be a better fit for smaller spaces. On the other hand, the Bissell Crosswave is a solid choice for families with pets, offering strong pet hair cleaning capabilities, but lacks the smart mess detection feature the Ultenic boasts. In terms of build quality, the Ultenic feels sturdy and well-designed. The plastics are solid, and the various connections, such as the hose and brush roller, feel secure. While I didn't encounter any long-term reliability issues during testing, regular maintenance, like cleaning the rollers and emptying the tank, will help keep the vacuum running smoothly. The self-cleaning feature makes this a relatively low-maintenance vacuum, which is a big plus for busy households. As for customer support, I didn't have any direct interactions with Ultenic's support team, but the brand does have a solid reputation for responsive customer service, particularly when it comes to warranty handling. The vacuum comes with a 1-year warranty, and if anything goes wrong, it should be easy to get support. In conclusion, the Ultenic Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for those looking for a versatile cordless vacuum that can vacuum and mop simultaneously. It excels at handling messes in real-world scenarios, especially sticky spills, and the smart mess detection and self-cleaning features add real convenience. It's lightweight, easy to use, and performs well across different floor types. While it may not have the longest battery life or the biggest tank, it offers solid performance for most homes. It's particularly suited for families with kids and pets, or anyone who wants a no-fuss, all-in-one cleaning solution. Thanks for watching! If you're interested in picking up the Ultenic Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, you can find the link in the comments box below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences if you've already used it. Until next time, keep your floors spotless, and remember, at Reviewsinside TV, we clean up the clutter so you don't have to.